Welcome to the McCain Star Chef Kitchen. I'm Pallavi Batra and we're here looking for the next McCain Star Chef. It's now time to sharpen those knives and tighten those apron strings and get ready for the culinary battle of the South Zone. Today we're looking for our fourth finalist to enter the McCain Star Chef finale for Season 2. And there's only one way to do that, and that is by impressing our judges. So without further ado, let's welcome India's culinary icons, Chef Anahita Dhondi and Chef Aditya Bal.
She's known for her keen palate, innovative twists on classic dishes, a champion of Parsi dishes, and a force to reckon with in the culinary world. A cookbook author, social media sensation, and a celebrity who set up 9 outlets of a Parsi restaurant across India. Chef Anahita Dhondi. He is a household name in the culinary world, celebrated for his passion for regional Indian cuisines. With a career spanning across renowned kitchens and captivating food and travel television shows, he is a true culinary luminary and a legend of Indian cuisine. Please welcome Chef Aditya Bal.
Right guys, last day of the regionals. How's it been so far?
It's been exciting. I think one day after the other, they've thrown us some challenges to taste a lot of their creativity. So I think, yes, last day today, and I'm hoping this day to be the best out of the lot and hoping to find our star chef.
Yes, Chef, on that note, we're looking to fill in the last spot in the finals.
Yeah.
What is that perfect dish that you want to see today?
Well, again, I'm hoping that, being the southern zone, south zone, we get to taste some local flavors, maybe some different cooking methods. Something distinct, and again, something that is cohesive and of course tasty, right?
And overall, Chef Anahita, from you, I wanted to know, where do you think India is right now in terms of, their modern culinary journey? Where is the food scene looking like?
So honestly, I think India is really getting to the top. Everywhere, all over the world, people are talking about Indian food. There is a certain curiosity. There's a great amount of representation from all our states, and not just, north, south, east, west, but little villages and towns. Yeah. And I know that, in the coming years, we're going to see Indian food to be at the top of, a lot of cuisine. So I know it's going to happen. But like Chef Aditya was saying, we've been craving and waiting ki, someone from their regions and their zones shows us a dish that totally blows us away.
Yeah, but and mixes it with Mexican or Chinese, Italian, that's going to be tricky for them.
I know. So I'm really hoping that one of those dishes sticks on with us, stays on with us, and we'll always remember it.
Absolutely. And Chef, I'd also like to know from you, what do you think about platforms like this helping young professional budding chefs?
See, I think it's a great platform for chefs and professionals to better their skills.
Today, Chef, we also have somebody who's stepping into a professional kitchen for the first time. One of our contestants, in fact, the only female contestant today, Tasneem, is a home chef, and this is the first time she'll be entering a professional kitchen. So that'll be very interesting to see how she fares against all these professional chefs, right?
Absolutely. All our luck to her.
Yeah.
We're excited to see.
Let's go for it then. Let's invite them in. Please take your seat, judges. Thank you.
Thank you.
This kitchen has turned into a culinary battlefield where 5 exceptional chefs will be dropping some culinary food bombs. So let's welcome the chefs from the South Zone.
Hi, I am Mariappan Ramasamy. मेरा नाम शेफ चंद्रभूषण चौधरी है.
Hi, my name is Tasneem.
Hi everyone, myself Anjan.
Hi, myself Pratap.
Our chefs here are all set to become star chefs. So chefs, today your dishes will decide your fate. Make sure they're packed full of flavor, make sure you're hitting that brief and make sure you're putting in a lot of love because that is what the judges want to taste. Yes. So I hope you're ready to become the next McCain Star Chef. Yes. All right. But not before we introduce you to our surprise guest for today. Yes, we have a third guest judge. Let's please put our hands together and welcome Chef Palani Murugan.
Chef Palani Murugan Vardarajan, celebrity chef, TV personality, culinary expert, all rolled into one.
Hi, Chef. Hi. Welcome to our kitchen.
Yeah,
thank you so much for being with us, Chef.
Yeah.
As soon as the anchor announced that there is a surprise for us,
मैंने सोचा कि शायद कुछ ingredients होगा या फिर कुछ recipe होंगे.
so I was just thinking कि which chef will come as a judge.
But when Chef Murugan came, I was like happy that okay, he's from South and all.
Chef, I want to know from you, you have been a part of a lot of cooking competitions like you just told us.
Yes, of course.
But tell me, Chef, what do you think about platforms like these giving an opportunity to young chefs like them?
That's the basic thing is interest.
Okay.
Interest is more than enough.
Perfect. So what is it that you want to see in their dishes today?
From my kitchen, from my sense, we have to focus during cookery competition. We have to focus on method and aroma. Then apart from taste, we have to focus on presentation, aroma and methodology.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Chef. Please take your seat.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, contestants, I hope you've made a note of what Chef Murugan said. He's looking for aroma, he's looking for presentation, and of course, taste. Let's also hear from Chef Anayata and Chef Aditya some words of wisdom for our contestants. Chef, over to you.
So in the last couple of episodes, we've seen 3 finalists into the competition. But we've also seen people get eliminated. The McCain Kitchen is your doorway to becoming the next star chef. So whatever dishes you get to us, make sure that they're full of passion, lots of love, most importantly, big on flavor.
You need to pay close attention to your pantry. Really close attention. It's stocked full of great spices, lots of choice of ingredients. You want to make sure that you use all of these elements really carefully so that you can create like a memorable dish, something with great balance, okay, and yet unique enough to get you into the finale. So think carefully.
Focus on your goals, plan well. We have to focus on presentation, aroma and methodology.
So put your souls on the plate for our chefs.
Yeah.
And before we move ahead, I think we should take a look at the rules. Chefs?
We are going to do 2-course feast. One belongs to appetizer, another one main course. So you are going to do appetizer with McCain Wheat Crisper. Another main course is in your hand. You can get whatever your wished ingredients from pantry.
And chefs, to do all of this, you have only 90 minutes.
जब मुझे पता चला कि 90 मिनट ही मिलेंगे, उसी के अंदर मुझे 2 कोर्स बनाना है, एक एपेटाइजर, एक मेन कोर्स, तो फिर प्लान करना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
I've never done in such a short span and all.
Today, your destiny is not in your hands, but it's actually in the McCain Wheel of Flavor. You're going to be coming up here one by one and you're going to be spinning the wheel, which is going to determine what cuisine you're going to be cooking.
Remember, only one of you is going to be going through to our finale.
I think our contestants now know exactly what they need to do. All they have to do now is actually deliver the flavor on the plate. But before that, let's bring them over to spin the McCain Wheel of Flavor. Bring up our first contestant for today from the South Zone, Chandrabhushan. Please. All the best.
Thank you. Give it a spin.
That's like.
मैंने जैसे ही व्हील राउंड घुमाया, सडनली मैक्सिकन आके रुक गया. मैं सोचा था या तो इटालियन आ जाता या तो इंडियन आ जाता, तो कुछ अच्छा कर सकते थे उसमें.
Please go for it. Indian. Happy? Great.
एक्चुअली जब भी मैं व्हील घुमा रहा था उस टाइम में मैं सोचा शायद चाइनीज़ और इटालियन आएगा तो थोड़ा अच्छा होएगा, बट एंड ऑफ द डे सी मैक्सिकन हैज कम.
That's nice.
When I went and I rotate the wheel, I got an Indian cuisine. I was thinking to get an Indian or an Italian cuisine.
Lucky loss.
एक्चुअली मैं चूज़ किया था कि मुझे कॉन्टिनेंटल कुजीन मिले, फिर सर्विस देखा कि वहाँ पे कॉन्टिनेंटल कुजीन ही नहीं है, सेकंड ऑप्शन की इटालियन मिले, तो लकीली आई गॉट दैट इटालियन ही मिला मुझे.
So judges, I think it's now time, and I think they know everything they need to do, shall we?
Absolutely.
All right, so contestants, your time starts now.
जैसे व्हील घुमा के जो हमारा इटालियन सेक्शन आया मेरा कुजीन, सो उस हिसाब से फिर लिस्ट बना के हम मीज़ा बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
When I saw that all my competitors are the professional chefs, I was a little bit scared. But after that, I was like, okay, fine, whatever I have came till this platform, I can manage to do something out of it.
Hi chef, good chef.
So what cuisine have you got?
I have got Mexican cuisine chef.
Okay, I can see you're cutting, chopping, onions, bell peppers. This is for your appetizer.
Yes.
And main course?
It will be a Mexican rice ball. It will be filled up in our bell pepper hollow bell pepper. We will be stuffing
Okay,
that.
that's the presentation.
Yes.
Okay, just make sure that you're looking at both your dishes.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
give it
sure.
enough time.
Sure, sure.
All the best.
Thank you.
Hi Anjan, how are you?
All good.
I can see some rice bubbling, haldi dal. What's happening here?
So I'm making a nice mushroom and green pea khichdi. When Chef Anayata came and she saw that I'm cooking khichdi, then I said her ki you should try my khichdi, and you know it will be a very exciting thing.
How are you going to present it in a more
So
appealing
yeah,
way?
so I'm doing a nice spinach puree also on
Okay.
down, and then
Okay.
maybe some 2-3 types of tui color, and then we have some sauteed mushrooms and all.
Quite excited. Make sure your bench is clean. Stay
Yes,
calm.
yes.
And one important tip: when you're cooking this, let's keep removing the scum. That's important. Yeah, you know that, right?
I got little scared when she commented. Now the thing is already been done, so let's go with the flow and do our best.
Chefs, we're down to just a shade over 1 hour to go.
Hi, Tasneem. How are you? What happened to your finger?
By mistake, I cut my finger.
Okay.
When I started to cook, I was just chopping the onions, and by accidentally, I cut my finger.
First, I want to teach you one thing.
Yeah, please.
Your finger like this.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't cut. Make a line like this.
Chef Murugan came and helped me with the chopping. Like he told me that you have to hold it like this and you have to cut so that you won't be getting in all those accidents again.
What are you doing?
I'm making raga. First I was going to make paneer tikki, but now I'll be making the tikki with the fries only, beef fries.
Oh, yes. Good.
Mariappan, where is your food? Where is your food actually? Already, huh?
The elements are there, sir.
All the elements are done.
I need to assemble that. Right.
You need to assemble. Okay. Confident, feeling good? Yeah, all went well. Good. Very good.
जब शेफ़ आया था वहाँ पे मैं आने के बाद में उन्होंने मेरा कटिंग देखा जो मैंने पहले से मीज़ा करके रखा था.
You're going with the lasagna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That has a lot of components. Have you got everything together?
Yes.
Your white sauce?
Yes.
That's like a ragu for the lasagna.
Yes, I
I
make
think you should
separate
speed it up. You should speed it up. That's going to take time to bake as well, so you must account for that. You are baking it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Get going, get going.
लजानिया के बारे में उन्हें बोल रहा था कि लजानिया काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट है, तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंट है कि आप टाइमली इसको निकाल लेंगे, क्योंकि ओवन में थोड़ा ये होता है, डिफ़िकल्टी होता है बेक करने में.
Hello guys, we have only 15 more minutes.
Chefs, you only have 5 minutes left. Please start plating if you haven't started.
All right, contestants, it's now or never. Judges, join me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop!
Hands up. Contestants, please put your hands up.
Give yourself a round of applause, guys. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done.
Chandrabhushan, please come with your dish.
Please get both your dishes.
Yeah.
Chef, today I've made a Mexican blanket along with the wheat crispers McCain by using some cottage cheese, some jalapeno and sweet corn.
And tell us about your main course as well.
Chef, this is Mexican rice ball. I tried to represent that one in hollow bell pepper.
The guacamole is very nice.
Thank
It's
you,
got a
chef.
nice kick to it. You put
Thank
some
you.
green chili in it.
Yes, chef.
That's a green chili. Sounds good.
The peppers, have you made this before, this dish?
No, chef.
Because it looks very beautiful.
Thank you, chef.
The idea is nice, execution also on time, but it's missing one very important element,
Okay, chef.
and that is adding the sauce.
शेफ़ ने जैसे बोला कि सारी चीज़ें अच्छे थे, मेरा जो कंपोनेंट था वो भी सारे अच्छे थे, बट वहाँ पे एक सॉस की कमी रहेगी. एंड यस, आई एग्री टू दैट.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
start.
you.
Nice
Thank you,
start.
Chandra.
Thank you.
Thank
Good, good.
Tasneem, please get us your dishes.
I have made ragra patties and paneer keema with spinach paratha. I have used wheat crispers for the patties.
So you've made the patties with the wheat crisper.
Wheat crispers, yeah.
Nice.
What have you added to give the sourness?
Imli chutney.
Imli chutney.
Apart from that, she added mint chutney also.
Yeah, on top also.
Plenty of like flavor in your appetizer.
Thank you.
And an interesting and different use of the wheat crisper, which
Yeah,
I
I
think
mean-
is nice.
The only thing is, I wish you had taken out some more time to make it a little more beautiful. Presented it a little more fine, because I just feel jaldi mein you just put everything on the
Yes.
plate, so it's
Yes,
not
yes.
looking very appetizing.
They were expecting a very good presentation, like plating and all. I am not a professional one to make a plating and all such how my other competitors did. I cannot do, because I have never learnt of doing all those things.
I love your work.
Thank
job.
you.
You did great.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Good
Tasneem.
cooking.
Thank
Good
you.
cooking. Honest cooking. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mariappan, please bring us your dishes. Okay.
This is the black bean ceviche, the starters. The potato wheat crisper stuffed with pumpkin, corn, and some Mexican chilies, and some cheese it has.
Okay.
On the main course, that is cottage cheese parcel wrapped with the leaves. On the down sauce is, that is the bell pepper sauce.
You already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in the main course.
Yes.
Attractive looking plates.
Very pretty, very
pretty.
pretty. Honestly, the salsa or the ceviche is very nice. It's very refreshing.
Thank you.
The only thing is the pumpkin is giving a little bit of a bitterness.
Why you choose this menu?
Because I got a Mexican cuisine. That's the reason I chose this.
Is this your own recipe?
Actually, I created all this. When I got the ingredient only, I thought I do like this.
So good job. I think the
Yeah,
flavors
good job.
work. I had everything together.
Okay.
It's a little messy,
Mhm.
but I think you have put a lot of thought into
Yes,
the
actually.
dish, and it's a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well done, yeah.
Thank
Good
you.
cooking overall.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
This is very good actually.
Next, I am going to call Pratap. Please come with your dishes.
The appetizer called animal fries, and there is a veg lasagna.
What is the topping you made?
Oh, caramelized onion.
Caramelized onion with
Yeah.
So this is a garlic bread?
Garlic bread.
It's baked well. You've layered it well. Great effort. Very neat. Good cooking.
Maybe a little bit more you could have done with the, some of the sauce on the inside.
Are you satisfied about your food?
Yes, I am satisfied.
Yeah, that's enough.
That's important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, satisfaction is better than success. So you are getting success. Thank you.
Thank
Good stuff.
you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So lastly, Anjan, please get your dishes.
I got a little scared when I called at the last because I was thinking कि dish शायद ठंडी हो गई हो, but the chart which was there, so it is supposed to be eaten at the room temperature. For the appetizer, I had made a new version of mirchi vada.
So have you put mirchi? Have you used
Yeah,
mirchi?
it's just there, and we have put some avocado raita also, which is sweet dahi and avocado mixed together. For the main course, it's khichdi with assorted wild mushrooms, and it has green peas, some palak puree, and all.
Did you add imli?
Yes, it has tamarind chutney also.
Tamarind chutney. With the lemon?
Lemon is inside that green chutney.
Green chutney.
I think it's got a nice balance. It's spicy, it's sweet. The only thing is it's a bit messy.
What's the green?
It's a palak puree.
Palak
Just
puree.
spinach.
I feel little bit of salt on the topping. Then particularly that garlic was awesome.
Fried garlic.
Fried garlic.
As far as flavor is concerned, I was quite happy with it. Really good cooking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So I was expecting around 60 to 70% that I will win. I was very much positive, and
So, judges, how was the tasting for the South Zone?
Rejection is more tough compared to selection.
Always. You don't want to break somebody's heart. Chef Anayata, how was it for you today?
It's been hectic. It's been difficult for us. There were 2 dishes which were really cutting it very close. So very exciting day.
Well, that's always a good day at work, chef, right? When you're spoiled for choice.
Yeah. Really tough to actually have to pick.
Wow.
But that's
wow.
the format.
Contestants, I think you wouldn't be able
Great
to
cooking,
contain your
all of you.
excitement any longer
We're
after
all
that wonderful feedback, judges.
very happy.
Shall we put them out of their misery?
Yes. Cool.
Thank you. All right, the scores are in, and like the judges said, it was extremely close. The 4th person entering the finale for McCain Star Chef Season 2 is... Anjan!
when judges and our anchor has announced my name as winner, so I was very much happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Well done.
Thank you.
Really
Many
good.
congratulations.
Well, Anjan's Indian dish makes him the 4th person to enter the finale of McCain Star Chef Season 2. It's going to be big, it's going to be better, it's going to be delicious, and I, for one, cannot wait. So for now, we'll have to hold on until we meet you next in the finale. This is me, Pallavi Batra, signing off for now. Thank you.